Now, Mr. Twin, you know that our today's topic is about the English conversation. Okay, that means we have to speak in English, anything. Okay, so are you ready to say something in English?
Yes.
So you can share with us anything, whatever you like, but you have to speak in English. So are you ready?
Okay.
Are you
I am
confident?
ready. Yes. So today, how I spent from morning to till now. Okay. First of all, I got up from my bed around 6:30 a.m.
Okay.
Then I was going to washroom and then complete it, and then I was going to my room and I took my breakfast.
Okay.
And after completing my breakfast, I was sitting in my bed in my study room.
Okay.
And after few times I was starting my private tuition. Okay. After completing my tuition, I was going to bath. Then I come back. Then I came back to my hostel room and took my lunch. After completing my lunch, I was ready to study. And after completing my study, I was what can I say, next I had been sleeping for 1 hour.
Okay.
Then I got up from my bed and took my mobile and I saw the mobile. What is the time?
Okay.
Perhaps it was 2:30 p.m. and I was ready to come at tuition center. Okay. And I took my cycle and perhaps I have been cycling for 1 hour.
Okay, I had been cycling for 1 hour.
1 hour. And after reaching my tuition center, I was calling Madhav sir. First of all, he did not receive my call.
Okay.
And after a few times, he again called back to me. Perhaps Atanu received the call and he told few times with sir, and after few times I took my phone from Atanu and I talked with Madhav sir few times and after few times he came here and we were discussing our topic, and this is all.
Okay, very good, very good.
Thank you everyone, and thank you class. Thank you sir.